much for today's, guys. Look at that. Looks good. It's not, the price is not worth it for me. His new favorite. That's really good, guys. Let's eat.
Promise.
Let's eat, guys. Hi. I can't stop. This place is too much. Thank you. So let's try this burrito, guys. No.